Hi guys, welcome to today's video on Be Classy and Sassy. I am Rishali. I want you guys to subscribe. Some of you are watching it but haven't subscribed to my channel. Also do like and comment and share it with your friends and family. You can follow my Instagram handle, and if you have anything related to the video you can ask me there. You can follow my Facebook page, that is Be Classy and Sassy. We all are used to certain ways of dressing and patterns, and it's like we get stuck for the whole life trying out the same ways of dressing. And also at times we get so lazy to put in little bit of extra effort to look little sophisticated and glamorous, keeping in mind that we need to look modest because it is a office wear. Many of the organizations have their HR policies regarding what is acceptable and what is not acceptable in your dressings. So do find out from your HR about the policies which they have for the formal wear. So coming to today's video, as the title suggests, today's video is on Western formal office wear or Western formal business wear. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. Also, I know that you will be inspired and you will try out one of the outfits which I'll be showing in the video. Many of the MNCs, corporates, top law firms, banking sectors and IT sectors, the employees are expected to wear Western formal. If your office is slack on clothing and there is no such hard and fast rule that you have to wear Western formals, but it is allowing you to wear Indian formals, it's fine, no worries. But you should definitely try it out when you have certain formal events like general body meeting, conferences, presentations and seminars. For this video, I have curated outfits considering the staples which I have in my closet. I have around 8 to 9 staples which I'll be showing you in the video, and it is must have essentials. You should also have this in your wardrobe. So before we dive into the video, let me tell you some tips which you should follow for your office wear. Tip number 1 is for your makeup. It is must and it is needed. Go for basic makeup. Use a good foundation or a CC cream. Also look out for neutral colors of lipstick and your nail paint. Preferably go for no makeup look. Avoid loud colors, don't do gaudy makeup, and also avoid shimmer and glitter in your makeup. Tip number 2 is for your jewelry. Avoid flashy, junky and heavy kind of jewelry. Go for very sober and dainty pieces. A good set of earrings will do. Avoid danglers. Also you can use studs instead of danglers, and a good piece like neck chain with a pendant will do, and add a classy watch. Tip number 3 is on your hair. Your hair should be well groomed and trimmed. Avoid frizzy hair. You can use hair serums or even you can use hair cream. If it is your first day of hair wash, let it loose. If it is your third or fourth day, you can tie a ponytail or a bun, or you can even braid it. Tip number 4 is on the bags which you need to carry for office. So look out for structured bags. Depending on your requirement, you can choose in the size of the bag. Look out for neutral colors, and also don't carry sloppy bags. Watch out my video on bag essentials. I'll mention it in the description box. Tip number 5 is on footwear which are acceptable on the formal wear. So look out for closed toe shoes, small heels, and it should be well polished. You should wear pointed toe shoes and not the round toe shoes, and also look out for neutral colors in the footwear.
A solid black pencil skirt knee length with elasticated waistband with side zipper closure and a black slit is a wardrobe staple and must have in Western formals. You can look for beige and grey color pencil skirts too. Style it with a crisp white shirt and never underestimate the power of white shirt. Trust me, you will wear it again and again. Adding a black blazer gives it a sophisticated touch. You can style this pencil skirt with a round collar white t-shirt and a black blazer. This combination of black pencil skirt and a black blazer oozes out polished elegance. A pencil skirt and a black blazer are absolute wardrobe heroes if you want a stylish closet that goes to the highest quality of style and standards. Black blazer should be well fitted, well tailored and perfect in length to suit your body type. If prints are allowed in your office, pair it up with an animal print top. This is a nice idea for an edgy and smart ensemble. So try out this and shout out to be classy and sassy. This pencil skirt can also be paired up with a grey puffed half sleeves checkered shirt. It will give you a very simple, professional and neat look. A solid black sheath dress which is well fitted is a classic and timeless option. It will never let you down. This has a fitting silhouette which highlights your proportion. It has stretchy, light and comfortable fabric. Adding a belt to the sheath dress makes you look luxed up and gives you a feminine dimension. You can style it up with a white cardigan. This will give you a very modest look and it is worth investing for long term. For office purpose, look out for appropriate length of the dress at, below or a little above the knee. These are safe choices for the length of the dress, and a neckline should not be low. A pair of black mid-rise regular trouser with an elasticated waistband is also a must-have formal wear and is a look stabilizer. It is super stylish and amazing. It will integrate with any of your casual styling rotations too. Stay away from sophisticated cuts. Keep it simple. Make sure the length is suitable with your heels high so that your shoes are seen. It is good for office and works well with any kind of combinations. Consider adding a black blazer with this regular pair of black trousers for chic look and for also casual outfits. This fabulous combination works wonders and complement each other. Glam it up with a pair of loafers. A simplest way to infuse a dose of style is by pairing this black pants with light blue shirt. This gives a very smart and sharp look. With this polished attire, you can go ahead and complement it with a pair of tan brown leather ballerinas. You will be amazed to see how this simple and easy pair of black trousers, when paired with a high neck olive top and a quintessential black blazer, is perfect for both business and casual meetings. A pair of black shirt and a black trouser is a monochromatic look. It is absolutely fabulous. Add a tan belt and tan shoes. A pair of black trousers with a black tees with a pure white blazer is definitely eye-catching. A pure white blazer adds up to your style question. I feel a wardrobe is virtually incomplete without a white blazer. A white blazer is a treasure in your wardrobe. You can style it with anything and everything. I love this simple and contrast combination. I have jazzed this outfit with an green crossbag from brand Aldo. A white blazer can instantly add so much of elegance to any outfit, from casual day off look to office wear and cute going outfits. The next must-have formals is a white parallel pants. I have this chocolate brown pants. Do invest in white parallel pants. What I have is ultra breezy, is of good quality and is very comfortable. It is super cool than your usual basic trousers. These wide leg pants are more comfortable than your usual trousers. They flare out from your knees as they move down to the legs. They are slightly high-waisted and create a sensual look. They work well as business casuals. You can throw on a blazer if you want to finish off the look. You can also wear it for party or a meeting. Styling options are endless with this kind of wide palazzo pants. The next I have is a lightwear Striped culottes. It looks amazing with shirts and tops and is super comfortable and is high on fashion. I love it because it is high-waisted and with wide flared bottoms which will nicely crop fit so that you can show off your shoes. For this first look, I have incorporated a navy blue ruffle top with full sleeves which is light, breezy and comfortable. And for the second look, I have paired it up with a white loose fabric top which has 3/4 sleeves. It is comfortable, breezy and it looks effortlessly chic.